welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel and cross my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Let's see the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hour result. You are watching now the cryptocurrencies market rate of XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, the change is positive 0.68%, the change of XRP Ripple coin in the cryptocurrencies market. Now as you can see here is the high price of XRP Ripple coin, dollar 0.541276 is the high price in the last previous 2 hour of XRP Ripple coin price, as you can see here. And now the current price of XRP Ripple coin is 0.537596 is the currently price of XRP Ripple coin in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, the graph of the XRP Ripple coin on the screen, so it's at this period they are falling down, but now currently as you see here they are jumping upward, as you can see here. So it's the best time to buy XRP Ripple coin and make a good profit by XRP Ripple coin in the cryptocurrencies market. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 2 hour. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's the price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour in the cryptocurrencies market? As you can see here, at the last hour they are negative, the change is a negative 0.02%, and the price high in the last 1 hour is dollar 0.537695 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, as you can see here. And if we see the price chart of the XRP Ripple coin, so now at this period of cryptocurrencies they are jumping upward, as you can see here. So it is the best time to buy XRP Ripple coin and make a good profit. As you can see here, it's a good time to buy XRP Ripple coin. What's your opinion about that? Please share your opinion in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.